Hello everyone. Today in this session we will learn few more concepts of light. Dear students, you are going to learn today in this session about mirror, types of mirrors and uses of mirror. What is mirror? Mirror is a polished or smooth surface that forms images by reflection. Reflection concept I have explained in the last session. What is reflection? Bouncing back of light from any surface, we call it as reflection. So here, when light falls on mirror, which is polished surface, the light reflect back and it produces image. So types of mirrors. There are two types of mirrors. One is plane mirror and another one is spherical mirror. So let us learn about these two types of mirrors. Plane mirror. A plane mirror is a flat mirror that reflects light and produces a virtual image. You can observe in the picture it is a plane mirror. It is flat and the light falls on this mirror, reflect and produces a virtual image here. So virtual image. What is virtual image? So let us understand first what is image, then we'll go to virtual image. So image is defined as the collection of focus point of light rays coming from an object. That is, when light falls on mirror, all the reflected light rays meet at a point and that point we call as an image. So what is virtual image? Actually, the virtual image, the light rays appear to be originating from a point but does not actually meet. So therefore we call it as virtual, and this image we cannot caught on a screen. Okay, next, uses of plane mirror. You all have mirror in your home, right? That mirror is a plane mirror. We use that mirror to see we are dressed up well or not while going outside. Is it right, students? Yes. So this mirror we used as a looking glass, and also it is used in solar cookers, and it is used in constructing periscope, which is used in submarine, and also it is used in various scientific instruments. Let us understand about spherical mirror and its types. A spherical mirror which has the shape of a piece cut out of a spherical surface. Plane mirror is flat, but spherical mirror is not flat. It is a part of sphere, or in another word we can say it is a curved mirror. Further, this spherical mirror is divided into two types. One is concave mirror and another one is convex mirror. What is concave mirror? A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved inwards is called concave mirror. You can observe in the picture the reflecting surface is inward here and it is a part of sphere. The mirror you can observe in the picture, it is part of sphere and whose reflecting surface is inward. When light falls on this mirror, it will reflect back and it produces an image. What is convex mirror? A spherical mirror whose reflecting surface is curved outwards is called convex mirror. So concave, the reflecting surface is curved inwards, whereas in convex the reflecting surface is curved outwards. You can observe in the picture the reflecting surface is outward and light fall on this outward surface, it will bounce back and it produces an image. You can observe one more example to understand this concave and convex mirror. You have spoon in your home, right? So that spoon has two surfaces. One is inward and another one is outward. The inward surface act like a concave mirror and outward surface is act like a convex mirror. Yes, uses of concave mirror. Where we use concave mirror in our day-to-day life. Concave mirror are commonly used in torch, headlights of vehicles, and also used in shaving mirrors, and dentists use this concave mirror to get enlarged image of a teeth. These are the few uses of concave mirror. Yes, uses of convex mirror. Where we use convex mirror in our day-to-day life, it is used as a rear view mirror in vehicles and also it is used as a reflector in street lamps. So dear students, in this session you have learnt about mirror, types of mirrors and uses of mirrors. I hope you have understood all the concept what I have explained in this session. Based on this session, here is a worksheet and solve this worksheet and preserve it. So what is a plane mirror? Write two uses. What is a spherical mirror? Mention its types. Write any one difference between concave and convex mirror. Write two uses of concave and convex mirror. Next session, again we will learn a few more concepts about light. Thank you all.